Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an American DMV. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between Ken and Lily and the staff at the DMV. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. In America, Ken needs to pass 2 tests in one day to get his driver's license. What are these 2 tests? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
It's 7 o'clock. I should drink my coffee.
Are you nervous?
A little. Actually, a lot.
You will be fine. You studied for 2 weeks.
I know, but the DMV is famous.
Famous for what?
Long lines, long waiting time, slow service.
That part is true sometimes.
Did you bring all my papers?
They are all in this folder. Let me check one more time.
Take your time.
Passport, yes. Address paper from our apartment, yes.
Good.
And your old Japanese license. That's a nice memory.
It still has my photo from college.
I love that photo. You look so young.
We never look young in our IDs.
That's true. IDs are not for fashion.
I haven't used that one in months.
Today you get a new one, the American one.
2 tests in one day? Can I really do it?
Yes, 2 tests, 1 license, written and road.
Written first, then road. That's the order?
That's the order. The written test is on a computer.
And the road test?
A test officer sits in your car. You drive around.
Just around the DMV?
Around the DMV, on real streets. Maybe 15 minutes.
Okay, I think I'm ready.
Good. Now, let me tell you something new about American licenses.
Tell me.
In the U.S., your license comes from your state, not from the country.
My state? Not the national government?
Right. Each state has its own driver license office. Many people call it the DMV.
So Japan has 1 license for the whole country.
Yes, 1 country, 1 license. Simple.
But in America?
50 states means 50 different rules.
Different tests, different fees, different years?
All different. Some states ask many questions. Some ask less.
What if we move to another state next year?
Then you get a new license in that state.
Another road test?
Usually just paperwork, not the road test again.
That's good to know.
Okay, 2 tests, 1 license. You can do it.
Let's go to the DMV.
Wallet, keys, water?
Got everything.
Then let's go. The bus is in 8 minutes.
Excuse me, I have an appointment for a driver's license test.
Good morning. Can I see your appointment paper?
Yes, here.
Kenji Tanaka, 9 o'clock. Let me find you on the screen.
That's me.
Okay, here you are. First, let me check your papers.
Passport, address paper, and my old license from Japan.
All good. And you have your form?
Yes, I filled it last night.
Great. And the fee is $45 today.
Card okay?
Card is fine. One moment.
Sure.
All done. Here is your number ticket. You are B42.
B42. Got it.
Here are the steps printed on the back of the ticket, too.
Where do I wait?
Have a seat over there. The screen shows the number.
When will they call me?
Maybe 15 or 20 minutes. With an appointment, it's pretty fast.
Wow, that's quick.
With your appointment, the wait is short.
And without one?
Without an appointment, people sometimes wait 3 hours.
3 hours? Just to wait?
Yes, walk-in days can be very long. Many people use a whole Saturday for the DMV.
A whole Saturday at the DMV. That's a lot.
That's why we tell everyone, make an appointment online.
Is the website easy?
Pretty easy, but on busy days, you might wait 3 weeks for a slot.
My friend made my appointment. She's good at planning.
She did well. Some people forget and then they are sorry.
I should buy her a coffee.
Coffee always helps.
What happens next?
First, the written test, then the camera room, then the road test.
3 steps in one day?
Yes. Did you bring your glasses?
I don't wear glasses.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you. One last question.
Yes?
Where is my friend sitting? I can't see her.
Look at the blue chairs by the window. She is waving at you now.
Oh, I see her. Thank you.
Now go sit down. We'll call B42 soon. Welcome. Please take seat number 5. The screen is ready for you.
Thank you.
First, the rules. You have 36 questions. You need 30 correct to pass.
30 out of 36. Okay.
The test takes 30 minutes, but most people finish in 15 or 20.
Can I go back to questions?
Yes, you can change your answer until you press the final button.
What kind of questions?
Road signs, speed limits, what to do at a stop, alcohol, and driving.
I studied all of those.
Good. Many young people here get a learner's permit first.
A permit? What's that?
A learner's permit lets you practice driving, but only with an adult next to you.
For how long?
Teens here usually get a permit first and practice for many months.
And then?
Then they take the road test and get the full license.
So it's 2 steps.
It's a step-by-step path.
Step by step is better.
Yes, permit, then license. But adults from other countries can sometimes skip the permit step.
So I'm lucky?
A little bit, but you still need to pass 2 tests today.
2 tests. Right.
Are you ready to start?
Yes, I think so.
Take your time. Read each question slowly.
I will. I'll study until the last second.
One small tip. When you are not sure, choose the safer answer.
That's a good rule for life, too.
True, many DMV tips work outside the car.
The safer one usually wins.
Right. Now click Start on the screen.
Starting now.
I'll be at my desk if you need me.
Okay. Question 1. Speed limit in a school zone.
Don't tell me the answers.
Sorry, I'll be quiet.
Just one more reminder. When you see a yellow light, slow down. Don't speed up.
Got it. Yellow means slow.
Take your time.
I'm done.
Already? Let me check the screen. Passed. 32 out of 36.
32? I passed.
Great job. Now go to the camera room for your photo.
Where is the camera room?
Down the hall, room 9. Look for the sign with the camera picture.
I see it. Thank you again.
Welcome to room 9. Have a seat in front of the machine.
This one with the lights?
Yes. Put your eyes against the holes and look inside.
I can see numbers.
Good. Read line 4 for me, please.
63927.
Perfect. Now line 5.
58146.
One more. Line 6, please.
25930.
Your eyes see very well, like a young driver's eyes.
That makes me happy.
Great vision. You don't need glasses for driving.
Can I see far in the dark, too?
That's not in this test, just basic vision today.
That's good news.
Now, one important question before we take your photo.
Yes?
Do you want a real ID? It has a star in the corner.
A small star.
Yes, gold or black, in the top right corner of the card.
What's a real ID?
From last year, May 2025, you need real ID to fly inside the country.
Or my passport.
Yes, your passport works too, but a card is easier.
I see. A card is smaller than a passport.
Right, and many people leave the passport at home.
Do I need extra papers for real ID?
Your social security number and a second address paper.
Like a home bill.
A home bill works, or a bank letter with your address.
I have both with me. My friend told me to bring them.
Smart friend.
Then I want the real ID.
Good choice. Let me copy your numbers.
Take your time.
All done. Now please stand on the white line for the photo.
Here?
A little to the left. Good. Now look at the camera.
Should I smile?
A small smile, but not too big. It's an ID photo, not a wedding photo.
Got it.
Look up, eyes open. 3, 2, 1.
Was it okay?
Let me see. Yes, it looks great. The card comes by mail in 2 to 3 weeks.
Thank you. Is the road test next?
Yes, go to the side door. The examiner will meet you there. You must be Ken. Ready for the road test?
Yes, a little nervous, but ready.
Don't worry, I see nervous people every day. Take your time.
How many people do you test in a day?
About 15. Some pass, some come back next week.
Thank you. That helps.
One small piece of advice: drive like a friend is in the car, calm and careful.
Where do we go?
First, sit in the car and check the mirrors and seat.
Mirrors, seat belt, seat position. All sec.
Now start the engine and turn on the right signal.
Like this?
Good. Now drive out of the parking lot. Slow speed.
Okay. Slowly.
Turn right at the next light.
Right turn. Signal first.
Perfect. Now stop at the stop sign at the end of this street.
Stopping now.
Full stop. Count 1, 2, 3, then go.
1, 2, 3, going.
Now we'll do a 3-point turn near the next park.
A 3-point turn. I practiced that.
Some states still ask for parallel parking. Many states stopped that test a few years ago.
Really? In Japan, parking practice is very important.
That surprised me when I heard, but here we use 3-point turns instead.
Why did they stop testing parallel parking?
Maybe because many tests now check other safe driving skills.
But in New York, parking is still hard.
True. New York and Pennsylvania still test parallel parking.
That makes sense.
Stop the car here, then we'll do the 3-point turn.
Stopping the car. Slowly.
Okay, now back up, then forward, then back. Smooth and slow.
Back. Forward. Back. Done.
Great. Now drive back to the DMV. Take the same road.
Same road, going back.
Watch the speed limit. The sign just said 25.
25. Got it.
When we get to the parking lot, park in space number 12.
Space 12. I see it.
Park slowly. Use your mirrors.
Parking. There.
Stop the engine.
Done.
Let me check my notes.
Yes?
You passed. 88 out of 100.
I passed? Really?
Yes, good driving. A few small things, but nothing big.
Ken, over here. How did it go?
I passed both tests.
I knew you would. Did they give you the card?
Not yet. They gave me this paper license.
Show me.
It's just a printed paper, no chip or plastic.
But it works as a real license today.
Until the card comes by mail.
Let me see. Wow, your photo turned out okay.
Mia said no big smile.
Good advice. So when does the real card come?
2 or 3 weeks, by mail.
2 weeks is fast for the DMV.
I know, the whole day went much faster than I thought.
How was the road test?
88 out of 100.
That's a good score.
The examiner was kind. She said I drive too slowly at green lights.
Did you stop at all the stop signs?
3 full seconds at each one.
That's the safe way.
2 tests, 1 license. Written in road, just like you said.
I told you, 2 tests, 1 license.
And I got the real ID with the star.
Smart. Now you can fly to see your family without your passport.
That will save me time at the airport.
Mia explained the star meaning?
She explained everything, quick and helpful.
She sounds great.
She was.
Wait, look at the card again. Something looks different.
Different from what?
From under 21 cards, yours is side by side. Mine is also side by side.
Are they always side by side?
No, people under 21 get an up and down one.
Up and down, like tall, not wide.
Yes, up and down for under 21, side by side for over 21.
So the shape tells your age.
At a bar, yes, the worker can see right away.
Because the drinking age is 21 here.
Right, a vertical card means no alcohol for that person.
Smart design.
Now let's celebrate. Coffee on me.
After today, I want something stronger than coffee.
Tea?
Tea is fine.
2 tests, 1 license. 1 coffee, 1 tea.
That's a good ending.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. In America, Ken needs to pass 2 tests in 1 day to get his driver's license. What are these 2 tests? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Alright, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!